Alright family, so I am boiling my chicken thighs. So I have about 8 in here. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a chicken and rice or chicken and pasta, chicken and potatoes. I have not come up with that yet. So stay tuned, and you just pretty much boil these until they're done. And in this water, all I have added after cleaning my chicken was adobo seasoning with pepper. So I'll show you that and I'll be right back. But they're going to keep cooking. Alright, this is the adobo that I am using. They have without pepper, and they have other flavors and different types of adobo, but this is the one that I put in there. Alright family, I am back, and as you see, my chicken is done. I decided, why not do 2 meals out of 1 pack of chicken? Spread the love. However, we're going to do chicken perlo, and we're going to do some type of chicken and pasta. Have not finished that idea as of yet. But with the chicken perlo, I'm going to bring you closer. There's my chicken, and there's the broth that the chicken cooked in. So I'm going to take that out and make sure that I have enough of broth for my cup of rice that I'm going to put in there. Also, to that mixture family, I'm going to slice some onions and season the rice so it is on the bottom, even though the chicken and the broth is seasoned. But a little extra won't hurt because it's going to be some garlic powder that I did not add originally, and onion powder. So with that being said, stay tuned. Alright family, I have a cup of broth, a little bit over. So I'm going to put that back in the pot and get that to a boil. Then I'm going to pour in my rice and my onions. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put my onions in the broth. Just like that. And then add some onion powder to this mixture and some Italian seasonings. Just like that family. Oh, and also the garlic. Can't forget the garlic. Oh, and I'm going to add some pepper. Alright, and some pepper family. So let me show you what it's looking like. Alright, here's what it's looking like family. I'm just going to give that a stir. Just stir in all of those seasonings. So once this comes to a boil, I'm going to add my rice to this and then place my chicken on top for 5 minutes. And that will be chicken perlo. Woo-wee! I cannot wait, family. Alright, family, it is boiling. So that's how I'm going to add the rice. And I'm going to pat it down like so, just to make sure that it all gets coated. And then I'm going to turn it off and place my chicken on top, just like that. Alright family, that's what it's looking like. So I'm going to cover this and I'll see you back in 5. Alright family, we're going to get started with making the pasta, and you just go follow the directions. But however, you're going to cook this al dente. So it's not going to be completely done because you're going to be doing something else to it. Okay, to this water I'm going to be grinding in some pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm going to grab my olive oil and put in about a tablespoon. But I'm not going to be cooking. Oh, yes, I am. I am going to cook the whole box. But I'm only going to be using half for this particular recipe. So I take that back. I'm only going to cook half of the box for right now. So when the water boils, then I'll add half of those pasta noodles and go from there. You can put your lid on top. This is a tip. Lid on top gets it boiling faster. All right, the water is boiling, family, so I'm just adding half of the box, and that's about it. Give it a quick stir so it's not sticking together, and continue to boil. And you can boil uncovered. Question, family, what do you do with your leftover pasta after you've opened the box? Do you put it in the refrigerator, or do you put it back in your cupboard? I was taught to put it in the refrigerator. So leave me a comment. I'm curious. All right, family, my pasta is done. I'm about to drain it, but I decided I'm going to have some Genovese basil pesto with Parmesan cheese. So let me go ahead and get that drained and get everything mixed. All right, family, I have this is 2 tablespoons of butter while my pasta is still hot. I'm going to put that in there like that, because anytime your pasta or whatever you're fixing is already hot, go ahead and add whatever you need so it can melt. To this mixture, this is how we're going to do this. Let me take the top off, and then I'm just going to sprinkle it in. I don't know how much I'm using, family. I don't know. I sprinkled half the container. So that's about 1.5 ounces. Then let me get this open. We're going to start out with 2 tablespoons. Well, let's do 1 tablespoon and see what happens. Let me get this stirred. Well, no, I'll do 2. And I'll go from there. All right, family, here's my 2 dishes. The first one is my Perlo chicken. And the next is my chicken on the side, which was almost baked, and my Genovese pesto pasta. Usually you use this recipe with linguine, but I wanted penne pasta. So this is how, again, you can make 2 dishes out of 1 pack of chicken. This meal is for someone else, family, not for me, because I'm still on the challenge. So with that being said, if you like my content, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification to where you'll never miss another one of my videos. And with that being said, take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.